About 6 months ago, an acquaintance of mine, Leanne, asked if I wanted to go and hike Table Rock. Table Rock is a prominent landmark here in Boise, and it's also a pretty popular hike. What I didn't know at the time was that Table Rock is about a 1.5 mile hike, and it goes up 900 feet in elevation to the top, from the bottom to the top. The morning of the hike, we drove to the trailhead and we started up the trail, and it is pretty darn steep at the very first of the trail. There's a lot of sandstone and loose dirt and some pretty big rocks that you have to get over. You work pretty hard to get up that first part of the trail. I was huffing and puffing pretty good. Had to take a few stops to get a drink of water. At that point, I was wondering what the heck I thought I was doing going on this hike. I didn't know if I would be able to make it, but I was determined because I didn't want to look like a wimp in front of Leanne. I didn't really know her that well, and so I persevered, and once we got up past the initial steep starting point, the trail kind of leveled out and gives you a chance to catch your breath. But as you look forward, you can see as it turns the corner of the mountain, it starts to climb again. So I was, again, thinking to myself, oh, do I really want to do this? But I persevered, kept going. As we climbed closer to the top of the mountain, there's a lookout point, and you can stop. It's a good place for people to stop and catch their breath and get a drink of water. And as I looked down at the trail below, you could see how far you'd come. And as I looked up, I realized that it really wasn't much farther to the top, and I knew that I could do it. So what I took from this experience was that accept the challenge to get out of your comfort zone, do something that you wouldn't normally do. This can be painful, but you just need to be persistent and kind of take it one step at a time, and you will get through it. And I also learned that perspective plays a big part in the outcome. If you're able to look back at the experience and see where you've come from and how far you've gone, you're able to know that you will be able to accomplish the goal. Thank you.